Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Radha, and today's video we are going to try my first hair removal at home, and I am so excited yet nervous because I've never done this myself before. I went to laser place once when I was in Thailand, but I've never gone to any laser place here in the States, and I know how expensive it would be, so I am a little excited for this one. I'm glad that I found Innza. Innza is the affordable hair removal that comes with a new tech and can be done at home, and so I am so excited to share this with you guys, my honest review and my first impressions about this hair removal. So if you guys are interested, I will also leave the link in down below. I hope this video helpful for some of you guys who are interested to do this at home. So yeah, let's get right into it. There are a few versions of hair removal, and this is the JD-TM022. This version has LED display, 2 comfort modes, 10 energy levels, and 999 fracture upgrade. That is interesting. It shows the tips on the size of this box and the skin tone and body hair type chart. Now let's open this up because I cannot wait to see what is inside. So here what is come with, of course there is a card, the quick guide, and I believe this shows the instructions and everything. This little fabric as well, another instructions, and this thing has been wrapped and packed very good. I started to see my irritating skins on my leg especially. I think the big measure caused by I shaved my hair every other days. I can see my skin clearly getting dry and has a lot of bump like a chicken skin, so that is not good, and I'm glad that I'm getting to try this one because I know it's getting worse, and I don't expect to get the immediate result today because I know this thing takes time. So yeah, I just want to let you know before we get started, just so you know that this thing can't process just by one day. So yep. Alright, so here is how it looks. This tool looks very professional, and it's in pink, which is very nice color. It comes with the shaver, the charger as well, and goggles to use this while we are lasering, like that. It fits pretty well, to be honest. Good. The first step that we are going to do is to remove visible hairs, clean and dry the area you want to do hair removal. Now I'm gonna prepare myself, shape my hairs, and I will see you guys when I'm done. I've already prepped my armpits and my legs area, so let's get started. We already done prepping, so now step 2 is to start and wear goggles and choose energy level. Press powder button to turn on and select suitable energy level. Recommended select energy level 1 for first time user. Wear goggles and do not look directly at the light exit window. Okay, let's do it. I have the goggles already. I've been confusing how to open this tool. Basically, you just press power buttons for, I would say 3-4 seconds, and then it's gonna turn on. Did you hear the sound? You will be able to choose the level you want. But for me, I would just still go with the first level because I am such a beginner. And how to use it, press the auto mode button to switch from manual to automatic. Repeat spot by spot. How to flash. When the ready to flash light keeps on after the light exit window contacts with the skin. Make sure the directions of the flash window is facing out when reading the number of flashes. And it said here the best way to do it is do it 90 degree. Now it's ready to flash. I can't see, guys. That is so scary. Ow! I can feel a little bit of hurt on my armpits, I think because I have a little like short hair. The best way to do it is to shave everything. The hardest part is you can't really see anything. It even makes you feel more nervous. You need to press gentle, and I think that is the key. Here's how it looks so far. Okay guys, overall I think I'm pretty happy with my first time trying hair removal at home, and to be honest, this tool doesn't hurt me or anything. It just feels warmth on your skin once it's flat, but it doesn't give you any pains or anything, so you don't have to worry about that. It's a little bit hard though to not look at the flashlight, but I think we can manage it. This compact hair removal is very easy to use. You just follow the instructions and follow the steps. There is not really a confusion or anything, so very easy to use and understand. There are two modes that you can choose, automatic or manual, so it's just up to where you use them. And also at the last page of the instructions, it will show personal record cards, which means that you can check on skin tone and body hair type, and the personal record card shows you how many times per week you should use them. I highly recommend it if you are interested to do at home removal. I think Innza is the best choice. Feel free to check them out. I will put the link in down below. As I mentioned earlier guys, this is the progress that I have to work on. I can't tell you the immediate results, but I had a pretty good start, so I cannot wait for my silky skin. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video and find this video helpful, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!